Today we're talking about the role of the project coordinator. Well, we've been looking at the different project management roles. We've looked at the project manager, the program manager, portfolio manager, and today we want to talk about the project coordinator. We often talk about the project manager, and more we're seeing job openings for the project coordinator. And then sometimes organizations are looking to hire a project manager, but they're just not quite sure if they may just need a project coordinator. So I want to look at a couple scenarios where the project coordinator reports into an organization. Well, sometimes the project coordinator reports directly into the functional lead. And in that case, they're typically managing the project on their own. And then sometimes they report directly into a project manager. And in that case, they're coordinating and reporting on the schedule, the budget, and any issues and risk. So sometimes the project coordinators want to remain a project coordinator. And then sometimes they're looking to segue into that project manager role. So when we think of project coordinator, they're basically responsible for keeping the project organized and running smoothly. And it's great for someone who enjoys a fast-paced and challenging environment. So some of the qualities for project coordinators are they're very detail-oriented. They have a high attention to detail. They're very dependable. If they say they're going to do something, they're going to get it done. They're also a good communicator. So when they're sending out email communications or any kind of communication, they really think through the details of that communication and who it needs to go to and the message they need to deliver. They're very productive and they just really get things done. As a matter of fact, for me on my projects, I like having a project coordinator. And for most organizations I work with, I recommend that the project manager has a project coordinator working with them so the project coordinator can focus on the details of the project and allow the project manager to spend more time with stakeholder relationships and building those really strategic business relationships. So if you need a tool to help you as a project coordinator, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.